Okay. Oh, thank you. I'd like to thank the members of the media for coming yesterday and giving so much of love for my Aradhya's birthday. It means a lot. We have all been family of this world of media and filmdom, and thank you so much for all your love and good wishes and blessings. It means a lot. God bless. Huh? Keep you guessing. And I'd like to thank everyone who's made this possible. Many awards and accolades in my life. They're all sweet, recognitions of appreciation, and I think that's what's most touching. It's a testimony of all your love and my audience's good wishes and support over all these years. So thank you so much. I say this each time, and even if it sounds repetitive, it's the truth and it's heartfelt. So thank you for always being there. I repeat, you are our inspiration for making me do what I do with the passion of committing to my craft and meeting you time and again here on the public platform. Very quickly, he's shooting his question in. That's a whole long interview. It cannot be abbreviated into one little sentence. हम जल्दी नहीं बता सकते because these are all really long drawn conversations because a lot has to be said on the subject. So I won't stand here forever. There are others who have got to come and share this platform with you all. So I just like to keep it short by saying stay strong, believe in your own conviction and strength, and be the version of yourself that you need to be in life. So believe in yourself and be you. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Archana, I just want to thank you for your hospitality yesterday, providing the drinks and everything.
Of course, my pleasure.
Thank you.
At Lux, obviously the tagline is he for she. So what is it that comes to your mind with this tagline?
Well, I think it's a great initiative. I think women are so powerful and so strong and so beautiful. So it's wonderful that the he are supporting the she. And I'm looking forward to a wonderful evening tonight. Sorry?
There are some issues that are still going to be addressed in Bollywood.
Generally, there are issues all the time. So I think we keep evolving, and issues should continue to be addressed, and things, betterment for the industry, for our country, should keep taking place.
Karishma, looking to you and apart from your family, who has been most inspiring looking for you?
Who has been? Apart from my family, oh my God, I think there are many ladies around the world who I've admired, but I'd say Gayatri Devi ji, उनका जो style और poise था was really amazing. Yes.
करिश्मा एक मिनट मैडम शादी का बात वो शादी आप आ रहे फर्स्ट को
कहाँ?
मैम रिसेप्शन
Yes, of course, of course.
सेकंड टू जोधपुर
वो मुझे पता नहीं.
करिश्मा yes we are all concerned about Rishi ji's health कुछ हमें आप बता सकें आप please
Well, I'd just like to say that, we want to thank everyone, the fans, the media, for their good wishes. Yes, thank you. Otherwise, then Twitter पे बवाल हो जाएगा.
आपके राइट साइड पे करीना जी राइट मैम टुगेदर राइट यहाँ पे हाँ टुगेदर लेफ्ट करीना जी यहाँ पे दैट इज स्टोरी विदाउट शिल्पा मैम सामने मैम सामने यहाँ पे मैम राइट करीना जी राइट करीना जी सेंटर करीना मैम यहाँ पे मैम राइट करीना जी राइट करीना जी सामने मैम ये मांग करीना जी सामने करीना जी एक किम्बल भाई किम्बल सेंटर यार मैम लिखिए यहाँ पे राइट करना मैम यहाँ पे देखो प्लीज मैम राइट में नहीं देखा अरे वो देखो राइट में डुप्लीकेट है राइट में मैम राइट करना मैम लिखिए लेफ्ट में इधर ना वीडियो
I think every award is very special. Her award जब actor जीतता है तो they get, it's I think a very it's a boost to your confidence. So this award was actually a confidence award, and इस award की खासियत ये है कि हम चारों को वीरे दी wedding के लिए मिला, and I think that's the most important, that 4 actresses came together to make a film जो पहली बार ऐसी film बनी थी I think in our film industry, and the fact is that we put in a lot of hard work and a lot of belief, a lot of confidence से film बनाई है, and I'm so happy that audience ने बहुत support किया.
Kareena, Sarah's new film is coming in Dana. What do you have to say?
I hope, God willing, and I'm quite sure actually that the film will be a super hit. But irrespective of that, I think she's a born star.
Is it true that you sent your makeup artist?
No, I can't answer these questions. Yes.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan was on the stage, and probably he was the person who wanted to present the award to all of you.
Shah Rukh to her award function pe, I think he's the Badshah of our film industry. I think there's no other person to represent our film industry on any podium other than Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you.
He or she, इसके बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, हम लोग कभी आपसे इसके बारे में पूछ नहीं पाए. He or she और जो जितनी तरह की चीजें हुई हैं, उसमें आपको लगता है कोई issues मैटर है जो एड्रेस किए जाने चाहिए women के लिए?
I think a lot of matters are being addressed, and I'm very happy that matters are being addressed. And आज का जो award है, which says he for she, I think I'm so happy to be a part of the Lux family to support such a movement. Thank you.
लास्ट के दौर
नहीं, one, हाँ.
important है वो लास्ट वाला कि like we asked Karishma ji also who's the timeless beauty for you?
I think audience में तो I think there are number of beautiful ladies, number of beautiful legends there. जैसे रेखा जी है, हेमा जी है. I think for me, I think it'll always be my mother-in-law Sharmila ji, and she's also part of the Lux family. So I think she's a timeless beauty.
And now everyone wants to ask, will you be there for 1st and 2nd December, the marriage receptions?
What is it?
Deepika and Ranveer got
Yes, we'll be there.
Careful. Shilpi, सुनना